Ja Morant's Nike Ja 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting signature basketball shoes in recent years. Even with a brief on-court debut during the 2024-2025 NBA playoffs, the model instantly caught attention and left fans eager for its full release. Over the past few months, Nike Basketball has revealed several colorways inspired by Ja Morant's journey and personal story. One of the latest previews features a Cobalt Bliss and Black color scheme that closely reflects the Memphis Grizzlies team colors. The Ja 3 keeps all the key design details that set it apart from other signature sneakers, balancing performance, comfort, and lifestyle appeal. Built to shine both on the hardwood and on the streets, this model continues to build strong momentum ahead of its official launch. The Nike Ja 3 is expected to release publicly before fall, with a wider rollout planned around February 2026, aligning with NBA All-Star Weekend.